terrible.
Yeah, you are from which country?
Yeah, I'm from. Mm, mm, can you guess my country?
No, I can't guess.
uh, my country, it's so easy. It's in South America.
America.
America, yeah.
So which
I'm
part of
from
America?
Colombia. You know Shakira?
Shakira.
Shakira, yeah, a singer.
Okay, I didn't heard the name.
Okay, I'm from
Colombia.
Colombia. Yeah,
I heard the name of
Colombia.
Colombia. Okay. So
Yeah,
how was the day?
Colombia.
You are in office now?
No, but okay. Let me explain you. I'm a mechatronic engineer. Right now, I work as a software developer. Sometimes I have to work at my office. Yeah. Sometimes I have to work at my house. It's it's balance. Yeah.
Okay. So do you like your work or like you don't like your work?
Mm, well, I can complain.
Why complain about your
Both,
work?
yeah, the both, yeah, the both are good for me. It's okay, no problem.
Okay. So
Yeah.
you are getting earning from there.
What about you? What about you? What do
I'm
you
a
for a
homemaker
living?
now. I'm a housewife. My kids are going to the school, so I use my time here for content creation of my YouTube channel.
Okay. How is it? It's good or stressful? How is it?
It's good because I'm learning that language, so that's good for me. Maybe in future I will be
Mm,
become a fluent, so that is why like it's
mm,
helpful for me also.
okay, okay. Fair enough. Yeah, fair enough. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. Pretty, yeah, pretty. Tell me something. Okay, in India, where do you live in India? Which part
Yeah,
in
I'm
India?
from the central part of India.
The center, a capital, yeah?
Yes,
A capital of India? What is the name?
it's not capital of India. It's a central part of India. Here is Madhya Pradesh. Have you
Madhya
heard the
Pradesh.
Have you heard the name? I think you didn't
No,
heard.
I've never heard.
Have you ever visited
I've
India
never
before?
heard. No, yet, but I like.
Okay, you
I
love
have,
India.
in fact, yeah, in fact, I have a dream. I have a dream
Yes, so
by traveling to India. Tell me something. In India, what place do you recommend me?
okay, so do you like a historical place, holistic place? Which type of place, worship place? So which type of place you want to go visited in India? Do you
Okay,
like
what
which
is
kind of which kind of place do you want to visit in India? Like you want to do learn like you want to visit a nightlife here, and you want to go some worship place was here, and some are holistic
mm,
place, some are
you
historical place. So that is some are mountains place also here. So which kind of is
Oh my
which kind of
God.
place do you want to
Oh my
visit in
God.
India?
Oh my God. The the time I was thinking the next year or in 2025. Yeah.
Okay.
I
25 is going to
I
the over now in this month.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. 27. I'm
Okay.
sorry.
Okay, okay, okay.
I screwed up. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My bad. My bad.
Yeah.
25, 2026 or 2026 or 2027. Yeah,
So what's your
either.
plan to visit in India? Like you are planning what do you like in India? Like you said that you love to India, you want to visit it here. So what things you liked here?
Yeah, what happened? In India, the first, it's an enormous country. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sure that there are a lot of places that I like it. Yeah, it's sure. Yeah, but I don't know which one. Yeah, I don't know which one.
So
Yeah, the
do you like
first
which type
or
of
the
like
best.
okay, you like which type of place? Like you like night places, like you can enjoy the
On the neighbor
party
plane.
there.
Okay, okay. Uh-huh.
So that kind of place. So if you want to visit in India, so go for Goa. And like sea places was there. Like if you want to natural beauty, you want to see natural beauty.
Okay.
So you go to the Kerala southern part. You can go.
Oh,
Yeah.
for real? Oh my God! But it's expensive,
No, it's
it
not
depends
expensive.
the place.
Yeah,
I
it's
imagine that it's depend of places. Yeah, I
yes,
imagine.
depends on the place. And second thing, like I think it's not rather than your country, it's not expensive our country. I think
Oh my goodness!
like your country is too
No.
expensive. Like your currency is if you are using in India, so that is less from your country.
Oh my goodness!
Yeah.
Oh my goodness!
How long
It's
have you been in this platform?
my country.
Yes. No, I'm asking you are how long have you been this platform?
Ah, okay, okay, I got you. Mm, what happened? Basically, I have in this platform in episode.
Yes, yes, yes.
Mm, I have I have 4 months ago,
Okay.
kinda. Yeah, I have three. I just have 300 sessions.